Friends, hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to make for loop in C++. How to make for loop in C++. So we are going to start developer. First of all, we are going to include the header files, include IOStream. It is necessary for every program, and then using namespace std. It is also necessary for every program. Then in main, the gate of C++ language, curly brackets, and simply create a variable int I, which is we are going to use in the loop for I equal to 0, I less than 10, and I plus plus. Cout I equals to I and endl for the new line. Okay, so we have made a simple program of for loop in C++. So we are going to execute this program, execute, run. Yes. So we should save first with for.cpp with an extension of CPP. So again, we are going to execute this program. Yes. This is 0, I is equal to 1. So how this program is work? See, first of all, and std int main it is start for every C++ program, and I have declared an integer type program, integer I, for I is equal to 0, less than 10, and I plus plus. First of all, when the for loop starts, it starts from initialization phase. It initializes I with 0. Then check condition I less than 10. If condition is true, then go forward to this block, cout I equal to, it is in double brackets, double quotes. That's why it will be printed as it is. So I equal to printed as it is, and I is first of all I is 0, so printed I, and then and L, it means that next line. So again it will repeat, because for loop is used for the repetition of fixed number of times. It will repeat a fixed number of kind as condition as the condition. So I again it will go to the increment part. After executing this part, it will go to the executing part. It is I plus plus. So I again it will check the condition. I is less than 10. Yes, condition is true. Again go the next line, and now I becomes 1. So I becomes 1. I is equal to 0. I is 1. Again we go when the statement is completed. Again go to the I increment part. I becomes 2. Then 2 is less than 10. Yes, 2 is less than 10. Again on the next statement, I is equal to 2. So it will print I is equal to. Again increment with 1 and check the condition. It becomes 3. 3 is less than 2. 10 condition is true. Then stores 3 in I. So I equal to 3. So it will print the output like this way. I'm going to again this output in comments. We can see this output that I is less than 0, I is less than 1, I is equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3. Till I less than 10, it means that less than 10 is 9. So when I become 9, the condition will be false and loop will be closed. If the statement in for loop is more than one line, then we should create a block like that, because more than one lines. See out for loop. So because two lines, that's why we are creating a block in for loop. Again, we save it and execute it. Run. See, two lines are printed. I is equal to 0 for loop, I is equal to 1 for loop, I is equal to 2 for loop, I is equal to 3 for loop. So because of two statement, we put it in a block of curly brackets like that. So it is a block of curly brackets. So for loop repeats the structure fixed number of times. There are many examples of for loop. We will again do the many examples of for loops, but I request you to subscribe my channel to achieve the other lectures in future, to get the other lectures in future.